Hello friends, this is very random video. I'm shooting it at approximately 5 a.m. IST, and reason behind that I'm in front of the camera is I wanted to share some updates with you. So what I was planning is, like, I am already a Snowflake certified professional, as well as like I'm holding a Snowflake squad credibility. So I was hoping to start some Snowflake sessions where people can get benefited from the course. Of course, like, I'll start doing it from the very beginner level. We'll go from beginner, intermediate, till it reaches up to a certain extent where I can call it advanced. And there are many people who are currently looking to upskill their career into data engineering and AI field. So that comes under data analytics, and for coming few years subsequently, AI and data will become very prominent in almost all the industries, because right now we see that getting insight from the data is actually helping people. So be it analyzing your credit cards or mutual fund portfolio, trading market, and couple of other companies which deals with pharmaceutical industries, which always has to understand the trend analytics of any uh, any medicine that is rolled out in the market. So even in the telecommunication company, into any manufacturing, automobile, you might see that with the help of data, or even the sensors that are uploading the data into some kind of servers where we analyze the health performance metrics and all those kind of stats. So yeah, in short, data is very much crucial, and if you know how to, with the data, how you can get the insight from it, then it will be quite helpful. And it's just a small thing that out of my 6+ experience into this IT industry, I've been working with number of good number of clients, and into various different problem statements that I've solved with data and AI. So I wanted to just start on it, and if you guys really want to see me get going with the very basics of data, starting from few of the topics from DBMS. So full form is database management system, which is one of the subjects which is being taught in the third or fourth year of our engineering curriculum. Especially I'm talking about the computer science department. So these and there are certain other subjects like object oriented programming as well. But yeah, so these are few of the subjects which are quite helpful uh, understanding the data practices. So yeah, that is what I just wanted to make a video in front of you guys through this YouTube, getting familiar to the camera as well, so that I can start something on my own where I can be your friend, be your mentor, become a mentee of few mentors as well, so that there is a cross exchange of data and information, as well as some understanding of these things. So I'm quite excited to walk on this journey together, and let's see how it goes. And if you are watching this video, and if you really like the approach that I want to take, so if you can just motivate me by hitting that like button, or if you want to share any thoughts over the comment section, you are more than welcome to do that. So yeah, it's just 4:54. Oh, 1 minute. It's 4:54 a.m. in India. I was not still sleepy, and I was thinking of doing something to actually elevate the people who are currently looking into this. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.